Hey guys, this is Don with Overlanding Anglers, and good morning. Today we're filming Exploring Oklahoma Episode 7, and we thought, what a better place to visit than Oklahoma's first capital. Now that's going to be Guthrie, Oklahoma. So we're going to load up and start heading north, and on the way there, let's talk more about Guthrie. So let's go.
Guthrie's history starts in 1887, when it was established as a railroad station for the Southern Kansas Railroad. Originally called Deer Creek, the name was officially changed to Guthrie in 1889 when the post office was established. A few weeks later, on April 22nd, came the land run, which saw 10,000 people settle here in just 6 hours. Within months, Guthrie became the capital of the now Territory of Oklahoma, and a modern city with brick buildings, municipal water system, mass transit, and even underground parking for carriages and horses. Now enough talking, let's check out our first stop.
All right guys, now the first stop in our Guthrie adventure is going to be here, the Logan County Courthouse, built in 1907. Check it out. The Logan County Courthouse served as Oklahoma's first state capital in the year of statehood in 1907, but by 1910, a lot of railroads had built junctions further south in Oklahoma City, and a special election was held which determined that Oklahoma City would be the new state capital. There is a lot of controversy behind this building because in 1910, after that election, the Secretary of State came to this building and actually stole the state seal, taking it down to Oklahoma City, which officially ended Guthrie's reign as state capital. But this awesome building is still here and still, over 100 years later, serves as the courthouse for Logan County.
Now, you can't tell the story of a frontier town without telling the story of outlaws. Locally, that's the Wild Bunch. Known by many other names, they were infamous for robbing banks, stores, and trains, as well as killing any lawmen that got in their way. Operating in Arkansas, Missouri, and the Oklahoma Territory, their violence did not go unnoticed by U.S. Marshals, and all but 2 suffered a violent end. 3 are buried here, in the Boot Hill of Guthrie's Summit View Cemetery. Little Dick West was hiding out in Guthrie when he was approached by Deputy U.S. Marshals, and when he failed to surrender was killed in the ensuing shootout. Also buried here is gang leader Bill Doolin and gang member Charlie Pierce, who were killed in other parts of Oklahoma. The legacy of the Wild Bunch has not been forgotten. The Eagles' 1973 album Desperado is based on the gang. Remember Charlie Pierce's headstone? The Mel Gibson remake of the Wild Bunch is also expected later this year. But for now, it's time to move on, and let's check out something a little more modern. Over the last 134 years, Guthrie has seen some amazing things. There's so much to see and learn, but we're starting to run out of time, so let's make one more stop.
All right guys, now the last stop on our little adventure to Guthrie here is this building. It is the Fairmont Creamery Co building, which was built in 1930. Check it out.
Opening in 1930, the Fairmont Creamery Company made butter and ice cream, bottled milk, sold eggs, and even packaged frozen strawberries. For 30 years, they provided food for Guthrie, and sometime in the mid-60s, they closed. Eventually, the building became a bowling alley, providing the community with fun until finally closing in 1999. Luckily, the building is now under renovation, and I'm excited to see what it becomes. For now, though, it's time to head home, and we'll do that the Overlanding Anglers way. One of the best parts of Oklahoma is every road holds something new to see. That's exactly why we explore our way home. These roads were very mild, but serve to show that you don't need a 4-wheel drive to just get out and explore.
All right, guys, there you have it. And that's going to do it for Exploring Oklahoma Episode 7 because we are simply running out of time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there are so many more things to see in Guthrie, so we are definitely going to come back to talk about some of the other history here. If you guys are interested in visiting any of those places, the Logan County Courthouse is going to be right here. The Creamery is going to be right here. And that Boot Hill Cemetery is right here. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a great week. Get out there, keep exploring, and we'll catch you later. Bye.